Hello everyone and welcome to the car trigger. Today we are going to show you this bike for first time in our channel. This is the Ducati Diavel. So guys, we have Ducati Diavel with us. So this is, as you can see, dark stealth color which attracts the mind a lot. This is Ducati's bike and we never shown you before Ducati bike in our YouTube channel. So this bike has done 9,000 kilometer. So this is 2016 model, 2017 registered. The insurance is also valid, and as you can see, the tire conditions are very new, and even the rear tire is also very new. So if you want to buy Ducati Diavel, lots of people's dreams to buy a Ducati Diavel, and this looks like a Batman's bike. So if you want to buy a bike, you can come here in workshop, contact them, and you can have your dream Diavel. So the details are given in the description. You can check that contact details from there. So the front and the rear tire, both tires were newly installed. And also you will get this VIP register number.